How sweet to be an idiot, as harmless as a cloud.
So that what they claim is, oh, okay, well, then it happened when the Earth was still soft. Well, that couldn't be either, because something slamming into the Earth is not going to just leave a ball of goo sitting in a beautiful orbit around the Moon. No, it would have gone off. Because astronomers already have acknowledged, evolutionist ones, that the gravity, the matter of the planets in our solar system and the Sun is not strong enough to keep the planets in their orbits. They cannot find a reason why the planets just don't go off into space.
Gravity, you fucking retard! Gravity! Have you ever heard of fucking gravity? Gravity! Gravity!
So they came up, they imagine, they make up dark matter. Oh, dark matter explains it then. Something we can't see or touch. That must be it. You see, anything to get away from creationism. Anything. Right. Okay, so now, then they come up with another idea. Well, let's see. It's got to still be a way to get around creation. Let's see. Captured. I know. So they claim the Moon was captured by the Earth. But that can't be either, because the Moon is receding from the Earth. If it was ever captured, it was coming closer. It was captured because of the gravity pull of the Earth. It would have gotten closer. And then they work out all kinds of mathematical models. Well, we say that it's, over time it's getting in a bigger orbit. No. It's just receding. That's what we know. You see, the Moon was placed exactly where it is, and that's why only one side of it faces the Earth constantly. It doesn't rotate in relation to the Earth. But see, anyway, back to this claim. So they've discovered these pools of water in craters, ice, and they say, well, the meteors hit the Earth. Ice. Yeah. Where did the meteor come from? They say Oort cloud. Some imaginary, we can't detect it, but it's got to be there because that's why comets are there. You see? No. You see, the problem is that comets can't survive 10,000 years. Not even that. Because as they come close to our Earth and our Sun, the Sun eats them up. It burns them away. The rate at which they burn away is too great for them to exist even 10,000 years. So this is evidence for a young Earth. All the comets that encircle the Earth. And why do they always encircle the Earth? They come around back toward us. Why? Because that's where they came from, you see, from the flood. When the Earth split open, water shot out and turned into comets. The Earth was spinning, right? Or rather, I'm a geocentrist. I believe the universe is spinning around the Earth. It's completely crazy, I know, but it's true. So, as the universe is spinning around the Earth, the water is still ejecting. It would be the same as if the Earth was spinning and ejecting water. In other words, a spray of water went in every direction around this Earth, you see. So some of it went off into space, some of it went to the moon, you see. But this new evidence they find, with these pools of water, frozen ice, in the moon, they were left behind by meteors of ice slamming into the moon from the Earth at the beginning of the Noachian flood.
How sweet to be an idiot. How sweet.